Laws of exponents. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Base is equal, then add the exponents. Here example 5 power 4 into 5 power 3. 5 power 4 plus 3, 5 power 7. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Multiply the exponents. 4 power 3 whole power 2. 4 power 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 power 6. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. If m is greater than n, m is greater than n, then a power m minus n. Here 2 power 4, 2 power 3. 2 power base is equal, then divide 2 power 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means 2. If m equal to n, the answer is 1. 7 power 4, 7 power 4. Base is equal and then exponents also equal. So 0. 7 power 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 7 power 0 is equal to 1. 1 by a power n minus m. If m is less than n, 6 cube by 6 power 5 is equal to 1 by 6 power 5 minus 3. Here 3 is less than 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 6 power 2. A power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power m. 5 power 3 into 2 power 3 is equal to 5 2s are 10 whole cube. 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. 1 by 6 cube is equal to 6 power minus 3. 6 cube in the denominator is there. We will write in numerator the power plus 3 will be changed minus 3.